It's well known to all of us that JavaScript is a popular programming language. Last year, JavaScript has been stated as the most used programming language among developers worldwide. It is used to develop around 95% of websites, including some of the world's largest platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Without it, we could not have popular and useful web applications such as Google Maps and eBay. And now that you're curious about JavaScript, let's take a deeper dive. JavaScript is a scripting language that is one of the three core languages used to develop websites. HTML and CSS gives a website structure and style. JavaScript lets you add functionality and behavior to your website. The early mid-1990s was an important time for the internet. Key players like Netscape and Microsoft were in a browser's tug of war. In September 1995, a Netscape programmer named Brandon Ike developed a new scripting language in just 10 days. It was originally named Mocha, but quickly became LiveScript and later JavaScript. According to GitHub's 2018 Octoverse report, there are more JavaScript code repositories than any other language, and the number is steadily on the rise. A series of JavaScript frameworks and libraries such as Amber, Angular, React, and Vue has been developed to allow powerful and complicated web applications to be written using small teams alongside client and server software. It is now even possible to write native mobile apps using JavaScript. This is becoming increasingly popular due to the ability to share between the world of mobile and the web. Here are a few of the more advantages of JavaScript. And you know the best part? We are coming up with JavaScript Essential in the next week, so stay tuned for it and hit the notification bell to get notified. For more, check out our website www.letsupgrade.in for our full stack programs with easy EMI of 2,300 rupees per month. Thank you.